Are you pro partnership, or do you think partnerships suck?
I would not be where I am today if I didn't have some amazing partnerships. So I would say all in, go for the partnerships, do it, but use them as learning experiences and make sure that you constantly improve on who you're partners with.
The proposition comes first, right? What are we trying to get done? And what am I bringing to the table, and what's the other person bringing to the table? And I used to see it, and a lot of people think it's 50-50, but it really isn't. It's 100% and 100%. And I'm not looking to split anything down the middle. I'm just looking to get it done. If the person's not available, I'll do it.
For me, it's a little bit of a different animal. It's more partnerships when it comes to attorneys, when it comes to title companies, when it comes to lenders, when it comes to inspectors, the whole package. So these are people that you're going to use over and over and over again. So building partnerships with them is going to get you more leads. It's going to give you more deals. It's going to make things work better for you.